Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing another TEMU haul. This is my third TEMU haul onto my channel. You guys loved the first two that I did, and I picked up so much stuff into this one. Everything is going to be linked in the description box down below, and I love TEMU. I'm so obsessed with their items. So I went with like really expensive items, things that I did not expect TEMU to have good quality of. I saw that they had an olive tree, which is right here in back of me. So what we're gonna do in today's video is we're gonna show what I ordered versus what I got. I'm gonna pop up a listing photo and compare it to the actual item with you guys, and we're gonna see if they're actually good and if they actually look like the photos and see the quality. That's my idea for today. Let's get into the first item, which I'm so excited about. So the first item I ended up getting was in this like box right here. I already opened it, so it's easy for me to pull out, but basically it's this vase. So whenever I saw this vase, I was curious on what it would look like whenever it arrived, especially for a $17 vase from TEMU. I just didn't know how it was going to turn out. It is listed as ceramic, so that's what I was like the most questionable about whenever it came to this vase. How was it going to actually feel? Was it going to be kind of like plasticky? Was it going to be like light? And it's not. It has a little bit of like a weight to it. The ceramic feels really nice, and I love, my favorite part to this is the handles. It gives it such a rustic vintage type of feel, and the subtle type of cloud-like pattern, it's beautiful. It's a little bit more orangey than the listing photo. The listing photo is a little bit more grayish tone, but it's still so pretty, and it's the perfect size for a centerpiece, which is what I wanted it for. So to match it, I ended up getting olive tree branches. So I got an olive tree, but I also got the branches. They're 18 inches tall. I checked, I measured them, and they work perfectly for filling like a vase or crafting a wreath or just adding like a subtle type of natural touch to your home decor. I really have been wanting olive tree branches for so long, so I was really scared to get it from TEMU. I was actually thinking of going to like a craft store and getting some really good quality ones, but what really stood out to me whenever I unpackaged these was the details, the texture of the leaves, the tiny olives that just look so well made, and it does feel like something that I would have got and something that I would have been looking out for. So you get 5 pieces in the pack, and I'm so impressed with how they turned out for the price. I'm curious to see how they're gonna stand out and like how they're gonna stack up against the tree that I got. Next thing that I got was this lint remover. This is the one that I got here. It comes in 2 gorgeous colors, so you can get the black color or you can get it into a white with rose gold accents. I ended up choosing the white one just because of how pretty it looked to me personally, and immediately as soon as I got it, I pulled it out of the box and I put it to work onto my carpets. They needed it. It had all of these type of rolls, and it worked so good. It made my carpets come back to life. It looked brand new. So for $10, like, you don't only have to use this onto carpets, you can use it onto furniture, clothes, and pretty much anything that needs a refresh that's fabric. So what blew my mind was how well it keeps my stuff looking brand new. Plus it has a power display, so you're never caught off guard whenever it needs to be charged. And the best part was that it was $10. So my stuff is looking new all the time, but yet it only costs me $10 to keep my things lasting longer. Next thing I got were socks. I keep seeing these socks everywhere on TEMU, so I had to try them out and see if they were good and if the quality of the socks were thick. Now I don't think I'm gonna get my socks from anywhere else. I heard one girl say that in her TEMU haul, and that's why it made me want to get socks from them. And their socks are so good. It's so thick. I wish I would have listened to her sooner, because I've been seeing these over and over again. It says it's one of their best sellers, and I was like, okay, but like, how good can the socks be? They're probably thin. They're not thin. They're very thick, and they feel amazing on. They're some like of my favorite socks. There's so much colors. I love the colors because I feel like they go with every pair of leggings that I have. And if you guys have been looking for socks and you want good quality socks, TEMU has some of the best. And there's like no smell, so that's really good. The other thing that I got for my table, I've been needing mats, so simple mats. I got these ones right here. They're very pretty. This is the photo of the listing. They're very beautiful. They come in 6, like I think there's 6 pieces of them. Yeah, so there's 6 of them. I liked the design. I liked the look. I liked how light they were, and they go so pretty onto my dining table. For the next one, let's get into the olive tree. So this is the listing photo that I saw for the olive tree. I thought it looked too good to be true because it really is the same height as the one in the back of me, which is so crazy expensive. This one is 70.87 inches tall. That is very tall for an olive tree, and to buy one of those, it costs like so much, especially if you want a good quality one. So whenever I saw this on Temu, I was like, okay, the price is good. The quality looks really good into the photos. The reviews were nice. So I wanted to test it out, and we're going to test it out together. It's in this box here. Comes really well packaged. Whenever I first saw this, I thought it looked so short to have like a whole olive tree in it. But as soon as I opened out the box, the way that the olive tree was like disconnected, so it has 3 parts or like 4 parts, I believe, that you have to like put together. And there's these little stickers that are different colors, and you put the branches in each one. It's very simple to put this together, and afterwards it looks amazing. Like, I was so shocked on the quality of the olive tree. I think it looks really good. It looks just like the one behind me. It's a little bit less full. So this one behind me that I like bought somewhere else, it's very full. There's a lot of leaves. This one's a little bit less full, but it's still so pretty. Like, I'm gonna actually buy, I think from now on, I think I'm gonna order a few Temu olive trees and just like test them out, each one, and like buy different price ranges and stuff. What I did with this tree though, because it was like, it's super tall, right? But I wanted it even taller. I wanted it to look a little bit more luxurious. So I had a pot, and I put some books down into the pot, put this tree on top of the books, and then I cut out cardboard, and I'm gonna put some moss and glue moss onto the top of the cardboard. And after doing that, the tree is just so huge into my dining room. It's like one of those things when you walk in, it's the first thing you look at. You look at the tree, it looks so pretty. And my mom had no idea it was from Temu when she walked in. She thought it was my other olive tree, and it's just really pretty. My daughter even thought it was so beautiful. So this olive tree that I got from Temu is a plus. I'm gonna link it down below. It's gonna be down there. If you guys have been needing like an olive tree that's super affordable, get this one. So the next one I ended up getting is this listing right here. I got gold cutlery. I've been wanting cutlery for so long, and this is what I ended up getting. This right here, it looks beautiful against like my table cloth things, my table mats. It looks really pretty against it because of the little beige inside. I feel like it goes together so well, and with my olive tree branches, it just looks so pretty in my dining room. I love these. I feel like they're almost dainty looking. Let me just back up. Okay, I feel like they look a little bit dainty, but also really pretty because it goes really thin on the ends. They are stainless steel. I don't know if I can put these in my dishwasher, but basically how they came. Let me show you guys how they came. They came into this bag right here, and then it came into this big bag. So that's how it ended up arriving. I don't know, I like them. So the next thing I ended up getting was for my wigs. I do a lot of wig content, so I picked up this right here. It's just a simple wig stand, but the color of the gold caught my eye. I thought it was so pretty into the listing. Here's the listing photo. It caught my eye. It was beautiful, and it is beautiful in person. It's a little bit plasticky though, but like when you're looking at it, it looks amazing. When you feel it, it feels like plastic, but when you're looking at it, but it stays like really good. So whenever you put a wig onto it and you're styling it, it stays put. It's not flimsy at all. But yeah, it's really, really nice. I like the look of it. It's really pretty, and I love the way that the like face is framed. So this next item has to be my favorite, I think, in this whole haul. It's the most expensive. It's the most beautiful thing I've got. I love it so much. And it's the carpet. So I ended up ordering a carpet. I actually measured it this time in my last Temu haul. I showed a carpet, and I didn't measure it properly. And so when I got it, I was a little bit disappointed on the size. I still liked it. I still use it for my children because it's perfect for them to play with, but I ended up getting this one right here. It's 200 by 300 centimeters, so I knew that I measured it properly. It was supposed to come in super huge. I didn't know what to expect, and this is what I ended up getting. It's beautiful. The thing I love about this carpet is that it's not actual like fabric, so I think like the print, I don't know how to explain it. It's super soft, but it's not like, I don't know, that carpet type of feel. So there's not going to be any, I have a lot of cats, and so the hair of my cats is not going to get stuck in between the carpet, and I'm not going to have a hard time washing this. This actually can fold up and go into the washing machine. I put this into the washing machine even though it is huge. This thing is so big, and it was able to fit into my washing machine perfectly. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels nice and thick and beautiful, and I absolutely love it. So like having kids run around the house with cats, it's just, there's so much hair, there's so much food getting dropped onto the ground, and so I needed a carpet that I could wash. And when I found out that I can actually wash this, it was amazing, and I'm absolutely my favorite. If you have cats and you have kids and you need to be able to wash your rugs and your carpets, this is perfect. When I've been wanting to see this ever since I ordered it. So this is supposed to be for the carpet. Now I have like this little carpet cleaner. I don't know if it's a robot, like a robot cleaner or whatever. And I need something to hold down the carpets on all sides, which I haven't found really good stick-on type of things for my carpet to stick down to my floor. These are so affordable on TEMU. So the thing I ended up ordering was, oh my gosh, I need this today. I totally forgot I got this into my order. And this is something I have been wanting for so long. It's one of those like powder type of puffs that go for your like around your eye. I like that it kept so much of the product. I've been using like this sponge that's really been terrible for underneath my eyes. See why everybody likes these now. Next item I ended up getting was this here, and it's because of a TikTok that I watched. I was so excited to get this in after seeing that TikTok. This is supposed to be one of those things that twirls, like you're supposed to be able to put fruit or vegetables in it and then twirl around the water, and then you could just close the handles and throw it right into your fridge. So you don't actually have to take the vegetables or the fruit out of this thing. So this is what mine ended up looking like. You can take out the handles, and it's plastic, but you can take out the handles, and then this lid part opens. So you guys can see how it opens. You can put water in it and like swish around your fruit and vegetables, and then strain it, and then close it up, put it into your fridge, and you have a nice little bowl with your fruit or veggies all nice and washed. The next thing that I got actually surprised me that I was on TEMU. Like, how does TEMU do it? I have no idea, but I got a set of 48 earrings for under $3. I don't even know how you can do that. Like, how do you get so much jewelry for so cheap? And the jewelry is pretty, it's perfect, it's what I've been looking for. I'm actually wearing their earrings right now. I pulled some out just to wear it for today's video, and this necklace. So this is the necklace that I got, and then this is a listing for the earrings. The necklace is actually 18K golden plated stainless steel. So it's supposed to last, even if I go in the shower and stuff like that, it's not supposed to get like all nasty. It's supposed to last me a little bit. So I'm really, really happy. If you guys want to see any more TEMU hauls from me, I have so many onto my channel where I show you guys things that I just really have been wanting for a while, and I think it's too good to be true, and I show you guys what I ordered versus what I got. If you guys like that type of video, then go check out these two right here. This has been my biggest TEMU. Like, they're so popular, and I'm so surprised on how many of you guys like them. So go check them out, and I'll see you guys there, and see you guys in the next. Bye guys.